Okay.
We're finally going to tune the NSX, right?
Hey! Hey! Hey. Okay.
Thanks. All right.
Hey.
Yeah, buddy.
Okay.
You having fun?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. This poor car has to carry this heavy thing. I feel so bad for this. Where are we? Okay. Okay.
You said you like this one a lot, right?
Yeah.
Better than the Cobra?
No,
Not
it's
better.
my car.
Not faster than the Cobra either. All right, so look, your job, Ronan,
Yes.
look at me. You paying attention?
Yep.
Your job is to make sure that this front bumper doesn't get ripped off. All right?
Okay.
Make sure it doesn't hit down low.
Okay. Okay. Like. Oh. Didn't get ripped off, but there's a scratch. Ugh. Okay, that was getting really intense.